Myself, Mr. Balabaran P, Department of ACE, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. Today, we focus on the web service protocols. It is under the paper of wireless sensor networks applications. The web service protocols. Before seeing the web service protocols, let me focus on the definition of protocols. The protocols are the rules, a set of rules that enable the devices in worldwide to communicate reliably and securely, flexibly. A set of rules have been defined to perform a specific task, thereby the application in worldwide. The internet without the protocols have not been worked. Therefore, the internet, no, it would not the function behind the protocols. Today, we will explore key network protocols and specialized web service protocols powering the modern applications. Let me see the certain network protocols: HTTP, hypertext transfer protocols, foundation, the foundation for web servicing. HTTPS adds the encryption and decryption process to encrypt the data for security purpose. And we go for the networking protocol, other protocol like TCP, transmission control protocol, or IP, internet protocol. The fundamental shoot that it will routes and delivers the data packets globally. These packets, the data have been divided into different segment into the packets. The fundamental shoot that routes and delivers the data packets globally. And DNS, the next protocol is called DNS, dynamic domain namespace. This domain namespace translates the human-friendly domain names into the IP address. This IP address, Internet Protocol address. And over to the other protocols, FTP and SMTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol and SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Those protocols have been used for transferring or sharing of files through email communications across the networks. Now, web service protocols, a broad introduction, is enable web services enable the software applications to communicate over the internet, the application oriented protocols. It is a standardized protocol to exchange the data, for example, XML or JSON formats. For key protocols for web service protocols are SOAP, REST, XML, RPC, UDDI, and BIP protocols. Let me see one by one. SOAP. What is SOAP for abbreviated as? The Structured Messaging Protocol. It stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. And it uses the XML format with strict envelope structure. For example, it supports complex operations, security, and transaction compliance. Example, it's enterprise systems exchanging purchase orders securely through the HTTP protocols. And other such web service protocols like XML RPC and UDDI protocol and BIP protocols, what is the function begin to are each web service protocols. Whereas XML RPC protocol is early remote procedure call protocol using XML language. Where UDDI protocol, you will focus on the UDDI protocol is directory service protocol for discovering and integrating web services. Whereas the B protocol is the framework for building network application protocols. Emerging protocols like GraphQL offer flexible data querying beyond the rest. So real-time full duplex communication, it enables persistent, it is a two-way. We have the communication have been divided into three parts: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. What is simplex? It is a one-way communication. Half duplex, either to transmit or receive. Whereas full duplex, both transmission and reception is parallel simultaneously have been performed. Thereby, the real-time full duplex communication, it enables the persistent and two-way communication between the client and the server, and updates the gaming, chat apps, financial trading platforms. And unlike the rest, It request response. WebSocket pushes data instantly. And some more web service protocols like SOAP. It is like enterprise grade and formal contracts. For this purpose, we used for SOAP protocols for advanced security needs. Whereas the REST protocol, it's used for the web and mobile apps, web mobile app services needing the fast and scalable and simple autonomous systems. Whereas the web socket, that protocol used for real-time and event-driven applications. The GraphQL protocol requires minimizing the data over fetching, whereas the Visual Protocol table summarizes the protocol features, payload formats, and use cases. Now, let me see about this slide, focus on the future of protocols and web services. The protocols evolve to meet demands by day. The protocols needs a vital role in terms of speed, security, and flexibility. The HTTP 3, a quick response, improve the web performance. And growing adoption of GraphQL and GPR, RPSA for efficient API communication. So call to action, embrace to write protocols to unlock innovation in your projects. So patient listening. Thank you.